Hey awesome folks, Krishna Sharma here and we are back at Credit for our 10th video. Today we are jumping into the cool world of adding pictures, sound and videos to our website using simple HTML. It's all about making your site more interesting and fun. Excited? I sure am. So first is adding pictures. First up, let's talk about putting pictures on your web page. It's like adding colors to a coloring book, like making everything cool better. Let's understand with this example. We have this syntax for image tag. Just use this in the index HTML. Just with the power of Emmet, we just write exclamation mark and press enter. And here we are going to put pictures, videos and more. So if I paste this picture and here I am going to my giving the source of picture, we have this picture image.png, the logo of Credit, and here I am going to image.one png and this description for if image is not loading on the page. So I just go to go live and you can see this picture is rendering on my web page. So I hope you understand. But what happens if the path is wrong and image is not loaded on the page? So a description of the picture will show on the web page. You can see this. A description of the picture is showing. So I hope you understand this. Let's give the right path. Move to the next topic. So our next topic is playing sound. This is very interesting. Want to add some tunes to your site? You can do that too. We will use a tag called audio. It's like having a little music player right on your web page. So let's understand this with this audio tag. Just copy this, move to index.html and paste here. So we have this audio control. Here we have you can see this. Just you have to write audio and give the source of the music. We have this audio.1, right here audio.1, and you have to give, if you want to give a control, if you want a control on your web page, you have to give the control. I have to just comment it out and want to show you. Here is not anything, but if you write control here in the audio tag, you can see this is control. Here you have the option of download and playback speed, and here you have the play and stop sound. I hope you understand this. Now here this is example. Let me show you. You can see this. Just give the right path audio.1 mp3. So let's move to the next topic. So next is watching video. This is very interesting. Now let's make things even more interesting with videos. We can add videos to our web page using video tag. It's like having your own mini movie right here. So let's understand with like audio tag. Here we have the video tag. So just go to, we have a video. So video, we can give width and height like images. So we are going to give controls for videos. So give the right path to video. We have this video Credit intro. You can see this. What happened? How? So video 1. So you can see this video is renting on this web page and playing well. Here you have the option picture in picture. You have the option download and playback speed. So I hope you understand the video tag and this is very interesting. Your turn now. Open your text editor, try adding pictures, sounds and videos. Make your own fun web page and let me know what creative things you come up with. You did it, coding magicians. You have just added some magic to your website with pictures, sound and videos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Credit and hit the bell. Stay tuned for more web magic. Until next time, happy coding, and I will catch you in our next adventure.